If you're like me, you love onions and garlic in your food. But did you know that not only are they delicious, they have many surprising health benefits? Today, you will learn how eating more onions and garlic may help keep you out of the doctor's office. For thousands of years, onion and garlic have been grown both for their medicinal value and because they make food taste so much better. I just finished planting my onions for this year. And as you can see, the garlic I planted last fall is doing quite well. Both of these vegetables are members of the Allium family, and the entire plant is edible. Other members of this family include shallots, leeks, and chives. These alliums have been used for their antimicrobial, anti-cancer, and anti-allergy effects. They may also support a healthy cardiovascular system, nervous system, and may help keep your blood sugar at normal levels. Both are good expectorants, and they've both been used to treat earaches for years. Onion and garlic can support your immune system and have been used for thousands of years as a natural remedy for colds and the flu. Think grandma's chicken soup. They've also been used to treat high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and arthritis. Onions contain more than 25 different antioxidants which help fight inflammation. Red onions have the highest concentration of antioxidants, but yellow and white onions are excellent also. The outer layers are where these antioxidants are most concentrated, so don't throw away those skins. Save them to make a tea by covering them with a cup of just boiled water and steeping, then straining before you drink this once a day. Did you know that onions are high in the polyphenol quercetin, which has been shown to boost your immune system and help you fight off infections? It was also shown to help you lose weight, especially body fat, so wouldn't drinking this tea be a delicious way to support your health? After you drink your tea, chop up a slice or two of the onion and let it sit out in the air for about 10 minutes to activate the allicin, which is the component of onion that is the most medicinal. While adding onion and garlic to your soup is very yummy and somewhat medicinal, heat does decrease the activity of allicin, so if you're really ill, take your onion or garlic raw to get better faster. A study on the health benefits of onions also showed that they may help prevent osteoporosis and increase bone density with less side effects than the prescription medications on the market today. While you should never stop any medications without consulting your doctor, adding extra onions to your diet in addition to your medication may help decrease your risk of a broken hip. Rubbing onion juice on a scar once or twice a day for at least 10 weeks may decrease the appearance of the scar. Applying the juice of an onion to mosquito or chigger bites can help decrease the itch, but use it before you scratch it raw because it may sting a bit if applied to broken skin. Both garlic and onion, when taken raw, may help reduce the risk of stomach and colorectal cancers. They may also have some activity against H. pylori, the bacteria associated with ulcers. If you found this information helpful, but you want more information on natural ways to keep yourself healthy, click here. Thank you for joining me today to learn why you need more onions and garlic in your diet. Stay healthy, drink your onion tea, and have a blessed week.